Hello everyone, this is the GATE topic solid state physics, and today we will talk about GATE 2022 physics question paper, and the question number is 51. Electronic specific heat of a solid at temperature T is C equals to gamma T, where gamma is a constant related to the thermal effective mass M effective of the electrons. Then which of the following statements are correct? And there are four options. Gamma is proportional to M effective. M effective is greater than free electron mass for all solids. Temperature dependence of C depends on the dimensionality of the solid. The linear temperature dependence of C is observed at T very less than D by temperature. So these four options are given here. And now we have to choose that one or more than one options are correct. Okay, so for this case, it is written as C equals to gamma into T, and it is for electronic specific heat. So there are some comments on the electronic specific heat. So first of all, I can tell you one thing, that if C equals to gamma into T, let me first see the first option. The first option was our gamma is proportional to M effective. Yes, this is correct. Okay, because the dimensionality you can see that gamma is proportional to N effective. Now coming to the B option. The B option told us that M effective is greater than free electron mass for all solids. But for there I can make a comment. Effective mass is not always greater than the free electron mass for all solids. So that means the option number B is not correct, because in that option it is saying that the M effective is greater than free electron mass for all solids, but it is not always true. Now coming to C. C is telling that temperature dependence of C depends on the dimensionality of the solid. Okay. For C also I can have a comment that electronic specific heat does not depend on dimensionality. Okay. So now in that question they are asking temperature dependence of C depends on the dimensionality of the solid, but for the electronic specific heat case it does not depend on the dimensionality. So again that option number C is not correct. Now coming to option number D. So what is the option number D? Option number D shows that the linear temperature dependence of C is observed at T very less than D by temperature. And yes, so when T is very less than T by temperature, then there will be a linear dependence, the linear temperature dependence of C. Okay. So there is a linear, we can observe a linear dependency on C. Of C. Linear temperature dependence of C. Linear temperature dependence of C. So that means this fourth option is correct. Okay. So that means from this question we can conclude that A and D are correct, B and C are not correct.